In this video, I'm going to show you the two methods to duplicate an image in Google Slides. Now, the easiest way is really just right-clicking on the image and then click copy and then click paste. By the way, you have to right-click on an empty element or empty area of your slide, and then you will have the same image on the same slide. And that is the first method. I think this is the most obvious one that everyone probably already know. But the second method is the most interesting in my opinion because it's very instant, it's easy, and it's very useful if you want to copy a lot of images. Let me remove this image first. Now what you need to do is you have to press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. And after that, you want to click on the image and then drag it somewhere else. What's going to happen is it will create a duplicate of the same image. There you go. Just press and hold the Ctrl key, and you want to click the image and drag it somewhere else. And there you have it, the two simple methods to duplicate images in Google Slides. I hope you find this video helpful.